Come on.
Forward, Juliet, Sierra, Kilowatt. This is Stephanie, Virginia.
That's Stephanie in Virginia. Kilowatt 2 kilowatt whiskey or kilowatt whiskey 2 kilowatt whiskey. Regardless, I looked and saw, oh, it's the North American QSO party today, right? 12-hour contest. What do I do? I think I'll finish my coffee. And I think I'm going to go out and put up another NFED. I don't have an NFED up right now other than my 80-meter Wonder Wire, the permanent one, draped over the pine tree branches. I think I'm going to go out and install a 10-minute antenna. Either an NFED for, well, it'll be the 40-meter NFED, which I can also operate on any band above that. I'll give myself 10 minutes to find the antenna and install it, and then I'm going to set my camera up on a tripod for a change, and I'm going to let it record. I'm going to let it film. I'm going to film a movie, and I think I'll call it SHTF, 10 Minutes of Madness.